Is the canvas. Discipline is the brush. Chapter 2, Reclaiming Command. The mindset of second chances. In policing, we train for split-second choices. Outside the badge, life demands sustained choices. To reclaim your potential, start by taking command of your mindset. Replace "I missed my chance" with "I'm reclaiming my chance." Replace paralysis with purpose. This is not empty optimism. It's tactical thinking. Set a clear objective. What does being what you might have been look like? Name it. Write it. Describe how you walk, how you speak, who you serve, the skill set you cultivate. Break it into mission-critical tasks. Prioritize. Execute. The law enforcement mentality values accountability. Make a plan, set milestones, and hold yourself to them. Use discipline as your compass. Discipline turns intention into outcome.